Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can find templates on your CapCut application. Okay, so come and open your CapCut application over here. So when you open your CapCut application, this is how it will look like. Okay, so what you want to do is very simple. Come to this pencil-like icon here. Okay, this pencil-like icon with 3 slashes. All right, so you tap on that. So when you tap on that, down here you can see templates as the last option. So you select templates. Okay, so after selecting templates, you come to view all over here. Okay, you come and tap on view all. All right, so as you can see, these are our templates over here. Here there's happy new templates. All these are templates. Okay, so this is how to find templates on CapCut. All right, so these are text templates. These ones are audio templates. These ones are effects templates. So you can choose from a variety of templates you want from CapCut. Remember, CapCut is one of the leading editing applications. All right, so this is how to find templates on your CapCut application. All right, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.